Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve the daily temperatures problem, also known as the next warmer day problem. This is a very popular interview question that tests your understanding of arrays and stack data structures. Here is the problem statement. You are given an array of integers representing the daily temperatures. Your task is to return an answer array. For each day, you need to find out how many days you have to wait until you get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day that is warmer, you should put 0 for that day. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Look at the input array. On the first day, the temperature is 73. The next day is 74, which is warmer, so we only wait one day. However, look at the third day with 75. We have to wait 4 days until we see 76, which is higher than 75. For the last few days, there are no warmer days ahead, so the answer is 0. The most intuitive way to solve this is using a brute force approach. We can use 2 nested loops. The outer loop picks a day, and the inner loop scans all the future days to find the first one that is strictly warmer. Once we find it, we calculate the difference in indices and break out of the inner loop. While the brute force solution works, it is not efficient. In the worst-case scenario, the time complexity is O of n squared. If the input size is large, say 100,000 elements, this approach will perform billions of operations and likely result in a time limit exceeded error on coding platforms. To solve this efficiently, we use a monotonic stack. The idea is to iterate through the days and use a stack to keep track of the days for which we haven't found a warmer temperature yet. Because we are looking for the next greater element, the temperatures corresponding to the indices in our stack will always be in decreasing order. Let's visualize how this works. We iterate through the array. If the current day's temperature is cooler than the temperature at the top of our stack, we simply push the current day's index onto the stack. We do this because we haven't found a warmer day for it yet. However, when we encounter a temperature that is warmer than the one at the top of our stack, we have found the answer for that day. We pop the index from the stack and calculate the waiting days by subtracting the popped index from the current index. We repeat this process until the stack top is no longer cooler than the current day. So the algorithm goes like this. Initialize a result array with zeros. Create an empty stack. Loop through the temperatures. While the stack is not empty and the current temperature is greater than the temperature at the index stored at the top of the stack, pop the stack and record the result. Finally, push the current index onto the stack. Here is the Python implementation. We define our function and initialize the result list. We use the enumerate function to get both the index and the temperature. The while loop handles the logic of resolving the days in the stack whenever a warmer day is found. Finally, we append the current index to the stack. Let's analyze the complexity. The time complexity is O of n, even though we have a while loop inside the for loop. Each element is pushed onto the stack exactly once and popped at most once. The space complexity is also O of n because, in the worst case, our stack might store all the indices. To summarize, the daily temperatures problem asks us to find the distance to the next warmer day. The brute force approach is too slow for large inputs. By using a monotonic stack, we can solve this problem in linear time, O of n, by efficiently storing indices of days that are waiting for a warmer future day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.